Hi there and welcome back. So this is the flip through for the journals that we've been working on since Friday. I absolutely love them. I think they look so different to say they're from one kit. I have gone round and put glitter in places. I don't know if you can see it. So they're nice and sparkly. Which I do like in autumn. So we'll have a look through this one first. If this is the first video that you've caught, then the kit that I've used is from Lorna, who was at Tailor Made Journals, and it's called Whispers of Autumn. It's a massive kit and it's got lots of blues, greens, oranges, browns, and there's even some like whites and reds in there, which I have saved them for Christmas. So I've made them with envelopes. This one I've made with 2 envelopes joined together. We've got some burlap ribbon down the side and then this beautiful sequin trim on the side. Got this triple pocket at the front. Got a little pocket down here with a tag in there. You know, nothing's going to fit, obviously. Oh, why does it do this when you're on video? In this middle pocket, we've got these all from the kit. Decorated that. Everything's from the kit. If there's something that's not from the kit, I will mention it. And then this is a long tag, and I made these in a different video. Yeah, gosh, where does... Okay. So I've just tied it with some string, and we've got some nice eyelets, and we'll open it up. Use the William Morris papers inside. Got this lovely big pocket here with a jumbo tag, and we've got some ruffles, some sewn material ruffle down that side. Oops. Oops. That's with putting glitter on. That's that. I shall ink that over. So we've got a double pocket here. Why is everything stuck? Oh dear. There we go, that big one there, which fits nicely in the back, and then we've got 2 small ones there, like so. Got this lovely doily with a little bit of collage on there, and a little collage there. Got this window. This is a side tuck. I haven't put anything in it, and then I've just put some paper from the kit really, but you can write on there. We've got a die there, a little bit of Tim Holtz snippet there. Don't tell me this is all going to be stuck. That's from Nanine at College Type. It's one of her labels. I've stamped on all the plain pages. Got this little side here just for decoration. The kit pages I have printed on 200 GSM, so they're a bit heavier. Just got some decoration and a ruffle here, and then that opens up. Got a journal card there, and then we've got 2 journal cards there, and they're from It's So Bohemian. That's from Nikki Adigan, who is Musings by Nikki, and that's Tracy Fox. That's from Honey Puddle, and that's from Nanine at College Type. Again, we've got a ruffle, and we've got a reindeer or a deer. Another one from Nanine at College Type, and this one I've just done a little bit of, well, I can't really call it collage. That opens up. You've got a writing space here. There's 2 postcards inside. what don't fit in there. And then we've got 2 tags there. And I'll just wind this back round like so. Got a nice little frame there, piece of the kit, and then a cutter. Again, that's from It's So Bohemian. And we've got a label from Collage Type. Some lovely music paper, just a bit of washing down it. Okay, excuse me, I'm sat down now, that's a little bit better. So I've got this envelope sewed in the middle and got a lovely card there. That's all pieces from the kit what I've put together. So that's it. Got some nice collage there and this beautiful trim again. That's the back. And we've got another ruffle here with an acorn on. A little snippet down there with the Tim Holtz snippet from the field notes. And a little pocket here with a card in. Little snippet. That's from Nanine at Collage Type. Then we've got this envelope what flips up, got this postcard, and we've got this tag that comes out there. Got another ruffle here, and this one's got an owl charm on it. Oh, missed a couple of pages. It's another little snippet I've made there. They are on my playlist called Embellishments. Got this which folds out and got a writing spot there. That's William Morris paper. That is a digital, whereas this is actual wrapping paper. The other side of the doily, and we've got a little pocket here again with the William Morris papers. Yeah. And a matching tag there. And then at the back we've got this pocket, which obviously isn't going to open. Oh my goodness. Let me just pause while I open it. It opened fine. Okay, so we've got this journal card there. And this opens up. Just got some leaves there. And then we've got a pocket with lots of bits from the kit, and that's from your creative studio. Pop them ones, yeah, back in. And we've got a couple more. Yeah, there's a couple more. And that this pocket I made in the DD Farrago hashtag 2021 TCTC. And then that's the back. So that is that one. Okay, the second one's been made with a padded envelope, so one that's got the bubble wrapping. This is a material, I don't know, some material, and I've backed it on some golden lace and then this bronze sparkle, and put some leaves and then this crochet trim down the side, and we've got the lovely sari ribbon. So let's open this up, and we've got this pocket at the front. I did just check that everything came out of the pockets. Obviously forgot about that one. So that's that one. Okay, I've got some leaves and quotes, and then these are pieces from the kit. That's from your creative studio. And we've got the William Morris paper inside. And it's all been sewn around. Okay. And we've got this double pocket here. This beautiful trim. Got a doily. and then this circle pocket, and a little bit of paper around, and then a leaf. Got his first charm here, and that's a squirrel. And some tickets there. I've left that open a bit so you can push something in there. Got some greaseproof paper. It's a nice crunchy feel and sound. We've got this which opens up, and there's a journal card in there, and that's a real pressed flower. And we've got this little decorative strip there. A die cut of a leaf, some ledger. I've done the stamping with rhubarb stalk, gold. I think that's all I did this one, just 2 colours. We've got this, put a little leaf there, and then that's a tag that comes out, and you've got a bit of a writing space there. Nice lovely frame, what I've put some paper behind, an owl, and then a quote. Little snippet, got some straw paper, I've stamped on every page, got some music paper there. It's just got some washi around just to reinforce it. Got a file folder here. I've left the middle empty, you can write on that. Then we've got a second ruffle, which has got some acorns. And then we've got this page tab here. I've left this a little bit open as well. So that's that. And then we've got another straw paper. Plenty of writing pages. Then we've got another one of these flip outs. We've got a journal card there. Flips open, and then we've got a decoupage tag there. Got this book plate, what I made into some clusters, and I've put the edge over so you can use it as a page tab. Then we've just got another little cluster there, and we've got like a little library pocket there with a library card and a little journal card in there as the last ruffle, and that's got a owl on it. Another little snippet. And we've got a nice frame with some leaves around. These are from the paper Cameo. And we've got this pocket here. And I've just put some die cuts on there. On the back page, and we've got this big side pocket and this large journal card. So that is both of them. I really enjoyed doing them, and I can't wait to make another padded envelope journal. I'm hopefully going to be able to get another fall one done in that, because I think the next thing I'm doing is an altered file folder. So if these are still available, then I will be putting them in the shop either tomorrow or the day after. If you're interested in them and want to grab one before they go into the shop, then you can contact me wherever. I'd prefer it not to be through Etsy if we, you know, talking about something that's not on Etsy, but if that's the best place for you, then that's, you know, that's fine. But emails are a bit I mean, I do check them every couple of days to make sure things haven't gone to my junk file folder. I think like Instagram is probably the best place that I would definitely get it. If you're on Patreon, I get those messages, you know, I can see those. So wherever really, all my details are down below. So I hope you've enjoyed this series. I've really enjoyed it, and I've loved working with this kit. And like I say, I think it's given 2 very different looks, and I like both of them. So that's it from me for today. I think there'll be another tutorial next next weekend, because I'm trying to get as many full things done as I can. And I think the next project is going to be something on a smaller scale, because I've got these 2 pieces that I made in in a Trash Tuesday, and I was thinking these would be perfect on the front of an envelope, and then this be the actual cover. And yeah, this one's smaller, but I can obviously back that with something. So I think that's going to be the next tutorial, and I was going to put these notebooks in it somehow. Might be able to open these up and have these coming out. Well, I've left that open, that's nice. So probably need to cover that up and do something with the inside. So I think that's going to be the next thing, and then after that I'm going to start working with Nanine's from College Type, her autumn kits. So that's me. I shall see you in the next video. Bye for now.